Hey guys, the film life here, and we are here in Tesla. We're heading home to Rock Island, Illinois. We just came from Green Bay, Wisconsin because we had a memorial service yesterday for Kenny's grandma. And look at our babies. Hi Perry. Hi Kuya Prince.
I think we're in Ogle County.
Ogle County. That's Byron, Illinois. But it's still in Ogle County. So we're planning to stop by in the Castle Rock State Park. It's pretty here, guys.
It's great.
So this is where we're heading on our way, Castle Rock.
This is a nice town, isn't it?
It is.
All these old houses that are fixed up really nice.
It's a pretty place. 9 minutes to Castle Rock. Byron Wealth Management. So we're still in Byron, Illinois. It's a pretty town.
No, this is Oregon.
Oh, Oregon.
It's just called Byron.
I see. This is Oregon, Illinois. Hey guys, approaching to the Castle Rock.
So we're going to park right over here.
Parking in lot only. Wherever.
There we go.
Now turn right to stay on
There's our
Castle
answer.
Rock State Park.
Oh, it's pretty. What's in here? It's a park. It's time to hike. Need a break, Kenny? Need a break. Hey guys, we're finally here in the Castle Rock, and here's our boys. We got a temporary leash in Menards because we forgot to bring their leashes. Look at those ducks. Oh, there's a... Yeah. There's a bridge. Here's Kenny and Prince, and here's my Perry. Isn't it nice, guys? We take a break from our long trip and enjoy the breeze in the Castle Rock, Ogle County. Look at that. Someone lives here.
Who's in there?
I don't know.
There's an octa in there?
Probably.
I'm surprised that tree still lives.
Well, mark that, Perry. So nice. Look at how excited this guys.
These are long leashes.
It's their first hike for the spring. Come on, Perry. Don't jump in the water. Oh, look at how pretty the place is. Hi, my loves. We took a break, guys. A long trip. We're from Wisconsin. And now we're going home, and we found this place, and it's so pretty. Look at the big mushroom, hon, on the tree.
Yeah.
Look at that big mushroom, guys.
I don't think there's much more trail there, Mom.
Maybe we will drive more over there.
I think so.
Yeah. Perry will always follow wherever Prince goes.
here?
Yeah.
Now make a U-turn.
Oh, there's no parking down there.
See, there's a trail, wildlife viewing trail.
There we go.
Come here, Perry. Come here. Come. Come. Right here, baby. There. Okay.
Come on. What are you doing? He wants to get back into something. He's scared of something.
Oh, the car. Oh, look at the view, guys. Valley view. It's nice here in the fall for sure. Wildlife viewing trail on Fort Miles.
Well, not bad.
Yeah. Much smell, huh? There, go run. Come here. Follow me.
You see that?
Yep. Long hop. Hey guys, we're here in the trail.
Barry, how many times?
And it's our first hiking of spring 2024. And we're just stopping here midway of our trip from Wisconsin to Illinois. So it's a good break. It's a nice trail. Nature preserve. Barry! Prince, come here! Prince!
Okay.
Make sure that he still remember the rules. Go! Yeah! Look at those free dogs. Guys, we have leash on them, huh? It's a requirement, but there's...
Well, it says leashed. I have one.
Yeah, we have leash. There's no car there, so we know that we're
There
only
shouldn't
here.
be any other hikers.
Yeah,
That's why I looked at it. So when we're on our way back,
yeah, that's for sure.
put it on in case a car showed up.
Prince, come here. Good boy. Come here, Perry. All right.
Hey,
Good boy. Come here, Perry.
good dog.
Come.
Come.
He will be tired.
Yeah, he's probably
Oops.
gonna. Looks like he's gonna do a molly bung.
I don't think he will just be. See? There's a lot of nice wild plants.
Back to where we first came in.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I think so.
Oops. What's
Got
that, Perry?
He had to wipe his feet.
Oh, you have the leash on? It's in you? Can I pull you, Happy? Come here. I'll pull you. Prince is free. Here's my... You should put it in your neck. Look at how poogie my pet is. Come on, behave. Come on. Good boy.
I am behaving.
Good boy. This is so funny. I've got my pet, guys. Really poogie. Really a good boy. See that? Here's my hiker in a working shoes. I didn't see oh, there's a squirrel. We didn't see a deer yet.
Well, when we see Prince take off, we know it's the deer.
Perry, why you keep looking backwards?
I'm getting pretty tired.
Is that what you need? Aw, why you're sitting? Perry, because when he's really tired, he will fully stop.
I think he's getting close.
Look at how pretty. Everywhere.
Should we tie them together?
What's going on, Perry? Poor guy with those little legs. He's getting tired. Look at how he walks now. Sidewards. Daddy, you don't have common sense to pick him up.
I'm not gonna pick them up. You need the exercise.
He walks sideways now. You're no longer running, Perry. But you see there, Prince. Our tour guide. There.
It's funny that there's a deck here. I mean,
It's a nice viewing. Here's a viewing deck. Woo, look at that view. In the Midwest.
complete with chair.
Got that, guys.
Yeah, it is a nice view.
It is a nice view, especially in the fall over there. Here's my boys, and we keep moving. It's getting dark, so it's a good exercise to continue on our trip going home. So it's a good break. Nature is my happy pills. Hiking with my favorite person, Kenny. B, who's your favorite person?
Well, you of course. My lovely wife, Michael.
My favorite person in hiking, guys. My buddy. And those two buddies
I
together.
remember going up a hill this much. We did
See?
go up somewhat.
Yeah, but there's no turning back. We have to go back where we came from.
No,
Really?
no, it's gonna go in a circle.
Okay. I'll mark your word. Oh, look at this. Tabi-tabi po. Look at that. It's started to bloom. Dead trees. Butterfly.
There's 1 hour that way. 2 miles. So I think we go this way.
So there's another trail, guys. So it goes in circle, so you won't get lost. So we're going the shortcut way because it's getting dark. It's quite a hike. It's good. I hit something. It really stung my foot. Okay. And it's done. Hopefully it's temporary. Really hurts. Anyway, keep moving. So it started like I got goosebumps and started getting red. Alright. Just came there, guys, so it's a circular hike and now we hit the road. We park up there, so we're gonna take this trail all the way to the parking area because we have dogs. So it was a good hike, that's for sure. We needed it for our recovery. Whew. Look at that tree. We're almost there, guys. Whew, it's quite a hike. Barry. See, go up. It said starts there. Up there. Yeah. Oh. Yep. So it's the Aspen Ridge. Viewing area. And this is the wildlife viewing trail. Now it's going up. Going to the parking. Isn't it pretty? Just about time to get dark. Time to head back to the car and continue our journey. Going back to Rock Island. Going to home. The trees are not fully having their leaves back. It's getting there. They started turning greens. It's 6:57 p.m. It will be dark pretty soon. Whew, what a hike. Perry did a good job. Usually he can sustain longer. He keeps stopping by, but he's still surviving. All you hear are nature, wildlife, animals. Here's Tesla parking over there. I can see it from here. Abby, it's an uphill. Woo! The heck? Woo! See, guys, it's all the way down. And it's our first exercise of the year. And we're still recovering from COVID, so struggling, but it's good for us. Whew. Hey guys, see the car. So we made a big circular hike, 1.25 miles, and there's some uphill and downhill, which is really good. There's squirrel, Perry. You wanna chase it? Yep, it's gonna get dark really soon, pretty fast.
Get some water.
Yep, and hit the ball running. Hit the road. Whew.
Right here.
Yep.
1.25 miles.
Yep, we're back.
Anyway. And I think
If you go
right
farther,
there,
yes.
that's where another 2 miles
Right.
went, and then you come back down.
Mm-hmm.
But that might have been a little difficult.
Oh yeah.
Not so long. We would have gotten back to dark.
It will be just like in the edge. So
We would have went another 2 miles. It would have been dark.
get those view, guys. Valley View picnic area, good for family picnic. And there's none good. Get them having water. Who's drinking water here?
Perry's like, hell yeah, I'll drink water.
Is that enough? Wow, someone's really thirsty.
I knew he would.
Go drink, Prince. Go drink. No?
He may or may not. We'll see. Hey,
He will wait for Perry. Go, Prince. Go drink water. Go drink.
I don't think he's going to. You know how
He
it
need
is.
to. Go drink. Good boy. Good boy. Drink water. Go drink. We'll close the back so he won't get excited. Prince. Perry keeps drinking. Okay.
Here, drink water, Perry. Prince.
Prince, drink water.
Look.
Drink.
Right here. Look. We'll be home in a couple hours and you can drink there.
There. Okay. Hey guys, so here's the view. Here.
Here.
And we're exiting the park now. And here's my Perry, who's really panting.
Much better.
We're hiking inside the forest, the trees.
Yeah, that's where we were.
And here is Prince.
In 500 feet, turn right onto South
It's
State
another
Route 2.
trail, I think. Oh no, it's a house.